Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Efsane Airdrop. Their launch date is today. They are launching this Efsane today according to them. We are going to look at their latest update. They said featured update announcement, Efsane Global Stock Information System coming soon. So they said, dear users, we are pleased to announce that the Efsane platform will launch a brand new feature on November 12, 2025, which is today at 2 o'clock UTC. November 12, they are going to launch a brand new feature. According to them, they said the feature highlights. These are the feature highlights they are going to launch today at exactly 2 o'clock. One feature is the global coverage, real-time tracking of major markets including US, European, and Asia Pacific stocks. Now, the next feature is multi-dimensional data analysis. The third one is in-depth insights. The fourth is intelligent push notification and system integration. So these are the brand new features they are going to launch today. And they say significance of the update, take your time and read it. So they say that the Efsane is committed to build a smart investment ecosystem with one center, multiple markets, and comprehensive market data, enabling every user to get real-time insight into global capital dynamics, seize opportunities, and make more accurate decisions. The launch day is today, 12th November 2025 UTC time, and there's a warm reminder during the initial launch phase we will continuously optimize data accuracy and analytical model. We welcome your feedback and feedback. Okay. Thank you for your continued support. So today we are going to know exactly what they are going to launch, whether they are launching only the new features excluding the listing, but we find out at exactly 2 o'clock UTC time. So that is it. What do you think? Are they going to do as they promise? We don't know. We don't really know the new feature, even though they have given us a highlight, but this highlight is just a mere stories. So we are going to find out their latest update. Looking at the comment section, people are just saying their opinion and all that. So let's go to the Efsane website. If you go to the Efsane website, all you need to do is to log in. And if you can't log in, if you click on go back to home. Once you click on go back to home, you have to log in. So this is their website, and everything has really changed. Everything has really changed. So for us to locate our Efsane, you click on this red one which says to go home. Tap on it. So once you go home, this is it. You click on my. You click on this my. Once you tap on my, you can now locate your asset summary. So this is basically what I have. This is basically what I have here, and nothing much. This is what I have. My frozen EFS is still 32, which is giving me $96. This $96 is computer money. So so what do you need to do? You do your daily check-in if you are still interested. You do your daily check-in to accumulate more gems. You do the daily check-in, sign in. So we'll wait for their official update concerning the launch they have today. So it is as good as you swapping your gems. If you have any gem, you swap it. You swap it to your frozen EFS. Click on confirm. Then you confirm. Swap successful. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.